Prime Minister Mario Draghi insisted on the need really to vaccinate as many people as possible. And in fact, also one of the key issues here that will be discussed during the summit is the need to bridge the divide between rich and poor countries. Now, we understand that Prime Minister Draghi in the past insisted on the need to improve health systems around the world, but also health security and to enhance really the ability to prevent future crises, he said, in a spirit of solidarity. One of the purposes of the summit is also to develop a Rome's Declaration of Principles. This should be seen as a powerful guide for joint action, really, to prevent a global health crisis, but also for joint commitment to build a more sustainable world. And that's completely in line with Italy's G20 agenda and the need really to comply with three main priorities: planet, people and prosperity.
Giorgia, can we expect the other leaders attending to agree with what Mario Draghi wants to do?
Well, Tokes, certainly global leaders will agree on the need to bridge that divide between poor and rich countries, but also to improve health systems, although the summit will also touch on the issue of the licensing of COVID-19 vaccine patents. Now, we understand that several countries, India, South Africa, including the US, have been calling for a temporary waiver of those patents to allow a fair distribution of the shots around the world. But there have been reports that global leaders might, in the end, simply back a voluntary licensing of vaccine patents. And also we understand that the conclusions of the summit, according to reports based on a draft version of the agreement, seem to point to the fact that global leaders also might deal a blow to the WHO and its activity to accelerate the distribution of vaccines, drugs and tests around the world. In fact, global leaders will probably say that they reconfirm their support for their scheme, but probably they will refrain from fully committing to funding it.